Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Got some more locks today. The previous video I did the disc lock, which is a really easy pick, and then you would have seen me have the locksmith brass lock. The reason I won't be doing that one is I took it back. The keys wouldn't fit in it, couldn't single pick it. I raked it and got it open, and what I found out when I really good look at it, the barrel was exactly the same as this one, where it split and started to split wide open at the top, and it basically just became junk. So I took it back to the shop today, and I got another one which they had some more in, and I got some more. So here's the first one that I got. It is a cylinder lock, which I've been looking forward to get one of these. Replacement brass barrel lock, Tooltech, made in Liverpool. Comes with 3 keys. I've been looking forward to one of these because, as I see at the back, you can take the circlip off, which means I can repin it, maybe turn it into a challenge lock. Have some fun with that one, but I'm glad I got that one. I also got a 40mm weatherproof laminated steel padlock, a black spur. It's not saying where it's manufactured. I think it's the shackle that's laminated, or the rubber body maybe. Well, that one is going to be done for another video. But let's crack on with this cylinder lock. Get it undone. Well, here's the lock. Don't see that circlip I can take off. It looks like even from there it's only going to be 4 pins. Definitely cheap, but maybe we can have some fun with it. Find the keys. There's the bit in. Not too bad. Let's see if it fits. Should work. There we go. That works. Let's see if we can get it picked. I have to turn it upside down because I'm left-handed. So you can probably see when you watch this is that there's a mild flicker. It's my kitchen light causing that. I do apologise. I'm going to use a medium hook and small tension bar that I made. Top of the keyway. Start beginning. Number 2 is the binder. I don't know what number 3 is doing. Found number 4. I think number 4 is completely set them up wrong. Let's try that again. Let's try from the back. It's 4 down. 3 is a binder. I've got number 2 shot back up there. No. Oh, and there we go. All the way around. Wasn't too bad. It's quite an easy job. To be honest, I wasn't really bothered it being easy or difficult, this one, because I am going to repin it. I'm going to do another video on that. I need to get myself a pin set and make another video on repinning my very first cylinder lock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give us a like. And thank you. I hope this helps. And bye.